This is Bob. Bob is a custom home builder. Bob didn't always look this relaxed. As a custom home builder, Bob always had a full schedule driving job site to job site, managing subcontractors and client expectations. Bob was always running behind, often late to meetings or missing them altogether, which greatly affected his customer service, as well as added stress to both his work and personal life. That is, until Bob found SiteCams. Now Bob can manage all his job sites remotely on any device, from any location. Bob no longer misses meetings. His clients are happy, and he's able to focus on other aspects of his growing business, and his life has less stress. SiteCams. Manage better.